that ever happen to you? Hi, I'm Scott Cohn, Executive Creative Director at Night Agency. Is this a familiar sight? I'm going to show you today how you can stop this from happening in the future by replacing the paper towel roll. First thing you do is unlock the chassis. There's a key in the top, it's always there. That'll reveal the inner workings of the paper towel dispenser. You're going to want to open up the gate. Then you take your brand new roll of paper towels, and here's the tricky part. I'm going to give you a little rhyme to remember. Paper in the back, we're right on track. Paper in the front, what are you, Helen Hunt? Then you install, pull down, and close the chassis. Voila. Take as much as you need. You're good to go. Thanks.